Hello ladies, and welcome to this new video wig install. In today's video, we will be installing a 5x5 HD closure wig from the company SHEIN. Thank you to them, and all the wig detail and information will be down below. A massive thank you to my talented stylist who worked her magic to give me this stunning look. Seriously, I am in love. Now, I won't keep you too long with my word. This video is pretty self-explanatory. However, if you have any question or concern, please let me know down below. I will be pleased to reply to you.
Baby, not the way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind from my mind to go. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me my belly, ooh Lord, girl, your love is crazy, girl, love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls them only really want to play me, but when I day with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All them other girls they really want to play me, but when I day with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. Love don't cost a dime.
If you thought I was disturbed before, baby boy, I'm gonna disturb you now. If you thought I was disturbed before, baby girl, I'm gonna disturb you now. Disturb you.
La plateforme de streaming, sur le chat, mais ils sont aussi sur Netflix. Et il y a la plateforme sur Netflix, c'est appliqué sur place. Allez, c'est à tout.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my wise man step. Follow the choice. Yeah, you should find it. Be so bad vibes. If you hate your enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. But you can never kill my vibe. Got here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take it. Vibe killer, love is somebody talk. Protect my energy from your bad aura. From my past don't say I be my healer, everything I desire. I go to see my everything flow like a river. If you get sour, come on one sit down. I go just para, come on my jigger. I go just follow my dream. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm taking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that light. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Vibe killer, love is somebody time. Protect my energy from your bad aura. Let my past don't say I be my healer, everything I desire. I go to see my rhythm flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on my jigger. I go just follow my dreams. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm taking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that light. Oh, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe.
Killed my hair.
Yes.
Like,
Nice and bouncy.
It's so pretty. I love it. No, toupee. New hair, new me.
Ok. Ça change une personne vraiment. Ça change son truc. Quand t'es ready, tu me dis, je prends les photos de toi.
To my yard uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm an artist.